Hey everyone! Today we have a special episode. I'm going to introduce you to a new project. Those who follow me on Instagram or TikTok may already know which vehicle it is, more or less. Soon you will understand why I'm saying more or less. This car has an interesting story, so I will take the cover off, show you around, and then we'll try to start her up and we'll find out exactly what is wrong with it. And later we will hopefully fix it as well. Well, after I took the cover off, you can see that this is a Peugeot 304, and it actually makes me wonder, and you will soon understand why. As I said, there is an interesting story and I will tell it later. But for starters, let's continue to take off this cover, we will put it in the trunk and try to start the engine. So in the first step, I just wanted to try and start the engine. I put the key in the ignition and nothing happened. Then I noticed that there is a start button, but it doesn't do anything. It turns out that the tow driver left the switch in the on position and the battery drained. So after a few tries, I realized it wasn't going to work. So let's pop the hood and replace the battery. I will connect this battery to the charger. The battery is connected here with these two butterflies and the rest is quite standard. So without further ado, I will proceed with removing the battery and bring a charged battery instead. The previous battery had small, I think they are called poles, and they are adapters on the cable terminals. So I slightly widened the cable terminals so that I can remove the adapters and put them on a battery with standard sized poles. Well, now that I put a charged battery, let's try to start the engine. Okay, that wasn't good enough. I try give it some gas and it doesn't help either. Here I can find the choke, I'll try to pull it a little bit, but I don't feel like it does anything. Even inside the engine bay, doesn't seem to be any movement of the cable. Let's see if we have fuel. Yep. Okay. Let's give it a try. Okay. It wasn't that hard. the story is that the owner of this car is almost 8 months serving as a reservist in the IDF, in the army, and he couldn't get to fix his car, and no one really wanted to fix his car, so he turned over to me and asked me if I can take this 204 and try to fix it. At first I refused, but he told me, you can take the time, please. He was so upset with it, and I couldn't say no, so that's what's going on. The brakes feeling very, very soft. I think the whole system needs a blend. I need to bleed the whole system. I'm not feeling very safe to take it out, so I'm going to stay. She's feeling very bad. I'm not thinking it's safe to take it. Yes, I can feel it lack power while accelerating. I had an issue while recording, but the biggest thing about this car is it's not actually a 304. It's a 204 from 1967, even before the 304 even was invented. So this car is a mix of some parts from 304, some parts from 204, and I need to figure it out. Let me know what you think. If you want to see more of this project, tell me. And if you don't, then tell me also, because I will. It's very time consuming, filming and editing all those videos. So if you're not interested in watching this project, let me know. So I want to make it for no audience, you know. And let's think together about a name for this vehicle. Let's think together about a name. My French cars' names are Giselle, Josephine, Louise. I like French names. We can think together about something that suits this yellow French old lady.